Hey, are you looking for top quality solo ad vendors that could help you to build and grow your business online? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider myself, and I'm going to let you know exactly how to use Udemy and how you can find the best quality traffic online, right? I'm going to give you one top quality traffic source that you can use to actually get results and get support, right? So we're going to get into it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So basically, you come on to Udemy, and Udemy is a platform where you can search for top quality solo ad vendors, and you want to go and you want to look at their results and be mindful. As you're leaving reviews and things like that, people will approach you in your inbox to buy traffic. I would stay away from those people that end up approaching you for traffic. But that's what happens when you leave testimonials. Just keep that in mind. If you're on this platform, you basically create an account, then you go to, find sellers, and then you come to this page. And what you want to make sure is you want to make sure that got sales is at 50%. It's fairly straightforward when you do that. And you want to look at a couple different things. So you want to look at the number of good reviews, and then here's like not so good reviews, right? So this number is good and this number is not so good, like the people that weren't happy. And then you want to look at the percentage of sales. So typically you want it to be above 50%. The higher the better, right? And then you want to look at the cost, right? So you want to look at what they're charging. And then you want to go down and, you want to look at the number of sales. So this number of sales is good. The number of reviews, and then the cost, right? And then you want to go with something that you can actually do. So you want to come up with a budget that you can actually be consistent with getting paid traffic consistently, like weekly or bi-weekly is what I would suggest. And, so you just come and you look at these people right here, and these are typically going to be your top guys on Udemy, right? So you could pick the ones that you want to. You want to go to their pages and look at the testimonials, look at the stuff that they have to offer, and then make your selection of who you would like to do business with, right? I'm never going to tell you that one is better than other, or that you should pick one is going to give you better results, right? Because that's not typically true. A lot of solo ad traffic, keep in mind that it's a lower quality traffic than if you would get search engine traffic from Facebook or YouTube. But if you are going to get solo ad traffic and you want to actually get more support, I'd suggest to come over here to Profit Builders Traffic. And Profit Builders Traffic is my traffic store where I help people to get results online. And basically, my traffic is different than everybody else, and the way that I do things is a bit different than everybody else too. Because if you go over there on Udemy and you get traffic from Udemy, right? They're just going to take your link and they're going to run traffic to whatever, and you're not going to get any feedback. And what's most important to me is that I give people feedback. So when you get traffic from me, you're going to actually get feedback. You're going to know what you're doing right and know what you're doing wrong and know how to improve, right? So, basically when you order traffic from me, basically what makes me different than everybody else is I make sure that you get highly targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting. I make sure that your landing page and your sales copy are congruent to your offer. I also make sure that the traffic that you're buying is highly targeted to the offers that you have, right? And you want to make sure that you have high quality traffic to any offers that you have. And I found that the hard way. When I first came online about 8 years ago, I didn't know what I was doing. I was told just to go and just buy traffic and send it to a funnel, and that I would get all these results. That's not how it ended up happening. I didn't know anything about tracking stats. I didn't know how to actually do it the right way. I was just told to go on to Udimi Solo Ads and buy a solo ad, right? And they'll take care of the rest. And that's not how you typically want to go about your paid traffic. Anytime you're paying for traffic, you always want to get feedback if possible and be able to know what you're doing right and how to improve, right? And how you can actually get results, right? So it's always better to get feedback from somebody when you can, and that's why I'm telling you it's probably best to come over here and to get traffic from me, because I get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing, PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, Solo Ads, and CPA marketing. So basically, when you get traffic from me, you get it from a variety of different sources online, and you can actually get a mix of the highest quality traffic when you get traffic from me. And then after you order your traffic package, I can help you to set up your funnels and get your offer the right way, so that way you get the most results with it. If you look below on this page, my highest opt-in rate is a 90% opt-in rate. This says 85%. My highest to date is 90% opt-in rate with conversions, with sales. So basically, when you get traffic from me, you're going to be able to get the highest quality traffic, and I'm going to make sure that everything is set up the right way for you, so you're not doing any guessing. You know how to track your stats, and that's what I actually show people how to do, is track their stats. Because when I first started, I didn't get that support, right? So I was left to figure it out on YouTube, and just like you're coming across my video on YouTube, I do marketing. I'm a marketer first before I sell any traffic, and I want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because that's very important when you're doing any kind of paid traffic. Otherwise, you're buying traffic blindly, and you're pretty much throwing money down the drain if you don't know your stats, right? So I will help you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer online. So that's what you want to do. So how it all works is step one, you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. 100% tier 1 is always going to be your best quality traffic that you can get. 90% tier 1 is also good, but 100% is the best. That means 100% English speaking countries. And after that, then I do a campaign review. So I'll go over your funnel with you and help you to actually optimize it to get the best results possible. So I would highly suggest booking a strategy call with me after you book your traffic package, right? So step 3 is we launch your campaign within 72 hours or less. That's 3 days or less, to ensure that you get top priority attention and that everything is in place, right? So it normally starts within 72 hours, but if you book a strategy call after that, then we have to wait till after the strategy call to actually start your campaign. And I want you to get the best results possible. I'd rather you get the feedback from me than just go out there and just blindly buy traffic and keep having the same results that you've always had, right? Here's a 90% opt-in rate with sales right here that I was telling you about, and there's plenty other testimonials right here that you could take a look at for yourself. And here's my 90% tier 1 package. Here's 100% tier 1, so pick the one that is best for you. Then if you have any questions, you could feel free to look for your question down here. It may be down here, and if you can't find it, then you can always leave a message down here for me as well. And here's my guarantee to you, is that I cannot offer you any refunds, and I will give you 100% real traffic, but I can't offer refunds. Why? Because it's paid traffic. What I can do is I can make sure you're 100% satisfied with your order. You will get 100% real traffic, and you will be 100% satisfied with your order, right? If you have any issues whatsoever, you can again leave a message down here, or you can write me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta. You can feel free to reach out. I'm on Facebook, and I will respond to you. I will get back to you. That's the difference between me and other people, is I will prioritize your needs when you get traffic from me, and I will help you to get results, right? So feel free to reach out to me, and if you want to get to this page to make your order, click on the link below this video to actually come to this page, and it's going to allow you to order on this page. Also, get into my free Facebook group. I have a link in the description as well, and I give tips, tricks, and training on how to actually increase your results online. Also, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos that I upload, because you don't want to miss any new content that I have on traffic, on review videos, on anything that I have. I want to be able to get that out to you as soon as possible. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos that I upload, so that way you don't miss them. And feel free to reach out to me again on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, or down below on this page. All right. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.